Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce our new electric tricycle Alio. In this video, you will get an up-close look at its design and features. If you're interested in this product, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more updates and information. This model features a luxurious interior, and its gear settings are just like a high-speed electric vehicle easily controlled by turning a knob. The top speed is 45 km/h, and the range depends on the battery configuration you choose. Next, I'll be showing you the details of the electric windows, central locking system, dashboard, reverse camera, and sunroof.